So before start the actual project explanation, I request you please subscribe my channel. So you can see on the screen up till now I have uploaded more than 66 video on Raspberry Pi. The Raspberry Pi with IoT, that is all this video. Then also IoT with Arduino, all this video are 26. And recently we started the new series on the PIC microcontroller. Before that I also cover the project on the Python web application. So if you want to learn Python, IoT, Raspberry Pi, Arduino, PIC from the scratch and from freely, then please subscribe my channel, please support me. And the most important part is whatever the code I have explained, whatever the project I have created on this YouTube channel, all these projects are freely available. You no need to pay anything for this project. So just if only point is you should watch complete video and you should follow my process. So if you want to learn something from the scratch and freely, then support me and please subscribe my channel and please click on like button. Hello friend, in today's video we will learn how you can connect the I2C display with Raspberry Pi. So you can see on the screen I have successfully connected the I2C display by using 4 pin with the Raspberry Pi. So in this video we will learn the program part of this project. Also we will see the hardware connection. Also we will see how you can enable the I2C functionality of the Raspberry Pi. Addition to that, in my past project I used this GPIO board. So basically for this board you have to design the circuit on the breadboard or on the zero PCB. But I got the many comment from the many subscriber, sir please replace this circuit by the I2C display so that it will be easy. So I accepted the request. So in this video what we will do, in front of you I will change my existing any project code which having this LCD, and then that LCD we will replace by this I2C LCD. So you can see on the you will also learn in the live how you can change the code of my past project and you can use this I2C display. So that complete part we will see in this video. So please watch this complete video so that you will get idea about each and everything about this project. Okay, now we will connect the hardware to Raspberry Pi, that is LCD. So basically when you purchase this LCD from the market, you will get this board, that is I2C board and the LCD. So if you have the LCD at your home, then no need to purchase this LCD again. You can just purchase this I2C module, because I have just purchased this I2C module only. So after you purchase I2C module, how to connect this I2C module to your LCD? It is very easy. So you can see on the I2C module at the first pin there is a square box. You can see there is square box. You have to just connect this square box pin with the first number pin of LCD. So this is your first number pin of LCD, and this square box should be connected to first number pin of LCD. So like this. So like this you have to connect. Okay, and after you connect, make sure that your I2C module should be come at the back end of your LCD. It should not be visible when you hold LCD like this. So I2C module should not be visible. So like this, it is very simple connection. Now on the I2C module there are 4 pins: ground pin, VCC pin, SDN and SCL. The circuit design of I2C with Raspberry Pi you can see on the screen. You can follow the circuit diagram. Okay, so first you have to connect the ground pin to Raspberry Pi ground pin. Now this is the Raspberry Pi. So Raspberry Pi first pin you can understand. Raspberry Pi first pin is come with the power supply, you can see here. Then second at this end, whatever the odd number pin should be come at this column, and whatever the even number pin come at this column. So there are 2 columns. You can see when you hold Raspberry Pi like this, there are 2 columns. So odd number pin all comes here, even number pin all comes here. So we have to use 6 number pin, this one, it is the ground pin of Raspberry Pi. Then 4 number pin, it is the VCC pin. Then 3 number pin of Raspberry Pi, you can see that is should be connected on the SDA pin of your I2C module. So this is the SDA, you can see this is the SDA pin of I2C module, and SCL pin should be connected to 5 number pin of your Raspberry Pi. So like this we will do the connection. Now first connect the ground pin of LCD module to Raspberry Pi. So this is my ground pin. So this is the ground pin, first ground pin that is connected to 6 number pin of Raspberry Pi. Okay, this part completed. Now VCC pin. So this is the VCC pin that should be connected to 4 number pin of Raspberry Pi. Okay, that is also done. Okay, after that SDA pin. So this is the SDA pin that should be connected to 3 number pin of Raspberry Pi. And then after that SCL pin should be connected to 5 number pin of Raspberry Pi. So this is my 5 number pin. This is my 3 number pin. I will again connect. Three number pin, 5 number pin. Okay, so like this we have connected. Now I will give the power supply and then we will see whether it is working or not. So this is my HDMI cable. I just connect here and then I will give the power supply. Okay, now I run the code. So you can see it is working perfectly. So I again repeat the connection. It is very simple. First VCC pin, ground pin should be connected to 6 number pin of Raspberry Pi. Then VCC pin should be connected to 4 number pin of Raspberry Pi. Then SDA pin is connected to 3 number pin of Raspberry Pi, and HCL pin should be connected to 5 number pin of Raspberry Pi. So this is only easy and very easy circuit. You can again run the code. You can see it is working perfectly. Okay, so that's the idea behind this I2C and LCD module. Now we will see how you can replace this module with the Raspberry. How you can replace this module with the I2C module. We will change the code. First we will see what are the different types of library which is used for this I2C module to run the project. Now we will see the programming part of this project. So before that, first you have to download my folder. So this is my folder, you can see. This folder you can download from my Google Drive, from my web page link. The web page link is in the description. So in that folder you will find the 2 files. So basically first file is a command which you have to run to install the I2C library, and second file is a program to check your I2C LCD is working or not. So first we will see how you can enable the I2C functionality on your Raspberry Pi. So for that what you have to do, you have to go to the Raspberry Pi, then go to the preferences and go to the Raspberry Pi configuration. So after that go to the interface, and here on the I2C you will see here enable at my end, but at your end you will see disable. So click on enable, click on OK, and after that reboot your system, just restart your system. Okay, once you enable the I2C module from here, next part is we have to run the some commands on your Raspberry Pi so that I2C LCD package will be installed. So first point is just check your internet connected with your Raspberry Pi or not from here. Then after that open my command file, double click on that one. So after that this file will be open. Then you have to run one by one command like this. All this command you have to run. So just open the black terminal window, and after you open the black terminal window you can see copy the first command from here and paste here, then press enter. Then after that your package get installed. Wait for some second. I already installed, so it's showing me some warning. Then again copy the second command from here, copy from here, again open this terminal, right click, paste and enter. So again second package will be installed. I already installed. Then copy the third command from here like this, copy and paste and press enter. So this package is already installed, so it is showing some warning, so just ignore that one, but at your end it will work. So like this you can run one by one command. After that what you have to do, you have to copy the fourth command, this one, copy the fourth command and paste here and press enter. So if your I2C module is working perfectly and your pin connection is correct, then you will find the address of your LCD like here. So you can see my address is 27. If your connection is not okay, then here you will see all the blank, that means please check the connection. I will show you how you check that one wrong address. So for example, I have remove my, so what I will do, I will remove my one pin from that I2C model. Okay, I have removed. Now again I run the command, so you can see it is showing blank, that means the connection is incorrect. Now I will again connect the wire. After that I again run and press enter, then it will show my address, that is 27 number. So this number is very important. So like this you can first verify your I2C model is working or not. So another point, if your connection is okay, all things are okay, and still it is not showing your connection, then what you can do, you can again open the terminal window and copy the last command Raspberry Pi configuration and paste here, and from here you can go to the interface option, then here from here you can go to the I2C, then click on yes and click on OK, and then press tab enter. That means you can finish this setup, and again you can check this one, so it will show. Now this time it will definitely show. So this is the way. First you install all the I2C model one by one like this, and then we will see the now program. Now to check the program, you can see I have already program here. Just double click on this program. So once you double click, program will be open in Thony browser, and just here if the value is 0, then you can change to the 1, and then your address, my address 27, whatever number there, let's say your number is 26, you can give 26, whatever number you can give here, 0 cross 27 or 0 cross 26. So that number you can give here, everything will be same as it is. Then here you can provide your name also. This is runtime, you can change, and this is provide the name in between these two columns. So basically here what I have done, imported the package and time library, and then configure the I2C model, then LCD clear the LCD, and LCD string, that means print on the first line, then switch to the second line, then on the second line it will show Rahul. So welcome Rahul, and then sleep 1 second delay. So just click on run button. If everything okay, then here it will not show any error, and your LCD start working at the back end. I will show you my LCD is working right now. So you can see on the second screen, welcome Rahul is printing there. So that means my LCD is working perfectly. So let's say if any connection is removed by mistake, let's say I remove the connection and again I run the code. So after I run the code, you will see this input output error. So that means your connection is wrong. So please check the connection. So this is very basic step to check the I2C model, and with this your first I2C with Raspberry Pi project is completed. Now we will switch to next model, that how to replace my earlier LCD model with the I2C model. Now in live we will change the code. So this is my one project, electronic voting machine project. So in this project you will change the code in front of you, so that in future if you want to change the code, you can follow these steps as it is. So I open the project. So first what you have to do, this is two code. First is my LCD Raspberry Pi normal code, and this is my electronic voting machine project code. So just copy this first line. This line you can copy and paste into face recognition code. Enter, press here. Time is already there, so I did not copy that one. Then after that, wherever the LCD part, just replace that LCD, just delete that part. So let's say this LCD part. So I will remove this code which is not required right now. So I remove this part. Okay, so I remove that part. Now next part is LCD. This is LCD. So wherever I found the LCD in the code, I replace that one. delete that one. So I deleted this part, okay. Yeah, so LCD pin I deleted that. So live we will check how to change the code. Then after that LCD, wherever you find the LCD, just replace, just delete. We don't require that part right now, so delete. Then this, all these are LCD LCD pins, so delete LCD function, delete all this LCD function toggle also, delete LCD string also, delete from the code till LCD init you can delete, okay. Then LCD string welcome electronic voting machine, we have to replace this later. So then after that, where is the LCD part? This one. So this one is printing, so we will replace that part. So this is also printing, so we will replace that part later, okay. So whatever the main LCD function, we have deleted that one up till now. So what we will do now, we already copied this, so this line we have to copy, second line we have to copy and paste into the project, anywhere you can paste. So likewise I am pasting here that line, okay. So this line I have pasted here. Now after that, what you have to do, LCD clear, this line you can copy and again you can paste after that line. So like this, two lines we pasted. So initially we deleted all the function which is already available into this code. Now we pasted this line. Now next is only we have to print and this, okay. So what you can do, go to the line where printing is there. So like this LCD string is printing welcome on the line 1, so we have to replace this with the our line. So let's say welcome, I will copy from here, okay. Now what you have to do, you have to delete this line again. So LCD, it is from the old code, so delete that line. So delete this line. Then after that, LCD string, it is old code line, so you have to replace with the new code LCD write string. So copy this write string from here and LCD write string, you can see, copy this and paste here, okay. After you paste paste that line, copy electronic name and paste here, and then delete this line, old line. So likewise, all the one by one line you have to first copy and paste and delete the old line, so it will replace. So likewise this will done. Now it is printing on second line. So how to print on second line, you have to copy this command. So this command will be print on the second line, so paste here. Then after that, enter again copy LCD write string, it is very simple, and paste again here. After that, voting machine you have to print, so copy this message, voting machine, and add here. Then after that, delete this line. So likewise we replace the code. So then before this, every first write you can give the LCD clear, so it will clear the LCD. So it is just best practice. So copy this LCD clear and paste here. Again it is the first line of LCD, so I will paste here. So we replace that code with the old code now here. Now again go to the next. Here also same thing you have to do. First delete this line, no need this line, okay. So first delete this line. After that delete, you can make as it is. Then you have to print valid person, you have to print on the LCD. So how to print? First copy this LCD clear. Every time when you printing on the first line LCD clear, you have to enter and paste, then again enter, then copy this LCD string and press again enter here. Then valid person you have to print, so copy this and instead of welcome paste here. Again delete this line, so we don't require this line, so delete this line. Then again you have to print give out on the second line. So how to print second line? Very simple, I told you. Copy this command and paste, and then you have to print this. So again copy this and first paste here. So after that press enter and first paste that one, this one. Till this you can copy, and then after that you can paste, then after that you can copy this, give out, copy, and again replace this. Okay, and again delete the old line. So whatever the old, that one I will delete. So you understood, right? How to replace the old line, how to replace the old LCD code with the I2C code. So in this way you can replace and run the code. If there is no issue, then it will run. So now I will run the code. Okay, now I run the code. Just click on this run button. If there is no issue, you can see there is no issue on the code right now. Okay, it is working. I can show you on the second screen. You can see electronic voting machine, and project also start working, the camera open. So likewise you can see this is the extra space. I will remove the extra space, no needed. CD, I will again remove this extra, no needed. So this extra space means one character in the LCD, so remove that one. Now again I run the project, and you can see on the LCD also it will print welcome electronic voting machine, that is I2C LCD, welcome electronic voting machine, you can see. So in this way we successfully completed this video. So I replaced the old code with the new LCD I2C model, that also successfully run. I told you how to compile the software, how to enable I2C model, how to install that library, how to change the code. So I hope you understand. If you have any comment, you can contact me on my WhatsApp number, the WhatsApp number in the description. Thanks for watching this video.